Hey, welcome to the Daily Devo. My name's Mike, and today we're going to talk about a secret mission. Have you ever been on a secret or covert mission before? I'm talking about a job that you can't talk about with anybody else. Most of our jobs probably aren't that exciting to be on top secret missions, but it's kind of like that movie you saw over the summer. Just kept you right on the edge of your seat and caused that adrenaline rush as you were watching it. Today, we're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about how to practice giving without a single person knowing about your generosity. You might be wondering, what is a secret mission and a daily Devo in the Bible? What do they all have in common? Well, we're going to look at it right now. It's found in Matthew chapter 6, verses 1 through 4, and this is what Jesus said. Watch out. Don't do your good deeds publicly to be admired by others, for you will lose the reward from your Father in heaven. When you give to someone in need, don't do as the hypocrites do, blowing trumpets in the synagogues and streets to call attention to their acts of charity. I tell you the truth, they have received all the reward they will ever get. But when you give to someone in need, don't let your left hand know what your right hand is doing. Give your gifts in private, and your Father, who sees everything, will reward you. It's important to listen in when Jesus starts off with, watch out. You see, Jesus is telling us to watch out for what I call the megaphone syndrome. It's that constant looking for validation and approval from the wrong people or the wrong places of this world. You see, as human creatures, some of us, we can easily crave the spotlight. But Jesus warns us to be careful of that. We love to feel that sense of accomplishment, that pat on the back moment. We love it when people say, way to go, man, you're doing awesome stuff. But the kingdom of Jesus, it tells us a different way to live our lives, especially in how we practice generosity. When God calls us to be generous and to give to the needy, and when he talks about the value in serving others in the pages of the scripture, it encourages us to be careful about how we broadcast that information. As Jesus is helping us understand motive, he explains the reward isn't in others knowing about how good you are or how much you served or gave to other people. It's about keeping it to yourself. It's about living in an authentic way between you and God that God is able to bless you. It's about being so quiet. It's a private act of serving God's kingdom. You see, the hard and important part of this principle is it really helps us live life in an authentic way. In a world where everything is so Instagrammable, I wonder, what would it look like if each and every one of us went into our communities? What if each and every one of us went into our relationships today and we served others in a meaningful and private way just between us and Jesus? So how about this today? Go be good to someone. Find someone in need. Find someone that's hurting. And after you've done good, after you've served them, after you've loved them, I encourage you, keep it to yourself. Go practice doing good in a posture of humility. Do this. Thank God for the opportunity to be blessed enough to go bless others. Ask God to use you today to see this world look and feel a little more like heaven will. Thank you so much for tuning in.